Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Last class, I discussed about adverbs, the first part, and then I will discuss finally how many kinds of adverbs. And there are different kinds of adverbs according to their functions in a sentence. But it's depends according to, in the last class I discussed a preposition. So there was sample. I was discussing simple preposition, compound preposition, but preposition, or phrase, etc., etc. So today, like that, the same, but you have to know and remember adverb words. So those are like it's a depends on adverb which category of adverb. It's the maybe indicates time, indicates place, indicates etc. So indicates the time of an action and answer the question when, such as in a when, such as now, soon, still, then, today, yet, since, back, ago, already, before, after, recently, today, lately, tomorrow, once, someday, early, etc. Those are all indicates a time of adverb. So let's say I have already finished my job. So here already finished my job. That's mean I have completed. There's also a here is defense tense, and we know that this is the present perfect tense. I have already finished my job, and that I will do it now. So now indicates when you complete your work or when you finish your work. That's mean here indicates the time and that it's the completed of your work. The result will be published tomorrow. So it's also definitely it indicates the time here when your time yesterday the result will be published. The result was published yesterday, and the result will be published tomorrow. So here indicates the time. So another adverb of manners. So let's see, here we can see adverb of time, and now we can see now adverb of manner, the expression the expresses the manner of an action and answer the question how, such as happily, slowly, quickly, carefully, loudly, easily, fast, bravely, hard, well, badly, etc. So Rafael is speaking quietly, so he is doing the job carefully. The boy is crying loudly. So here indicates the manner, how situation, and it's also that's been here indicates the subject and how his activities and how is his expression. Like quickly, who is speaking quickly? Rafa. That's mean it indicates it modifies verb, but it indicates the subject. So you have to notify and you have to focus in your subject and verb. That's both of you that you have to focus. Okay, let's see another adverb of place. So indicates the place of an action and answer the question where, such as here, uh, here, there, up, down, in, out, by, hither, thither, where, anywhere, somewhere, everywhere, neither, nowhere. Okay, here is some example. Go out. I love to be here. I love to be here. Here indicates it's a place, that's you where you wish to like stay. That's mean people still live there, but I want to like to there, I want to love to go there, but I want to stay with you. So this kinds of sentence basically adverbs here, go, out, there, those are all adverbs and it indicates the place. So adverbs of degree or quantity, it means how many uh, quantity is how much or how many it indicates just a quantity of n. Okay, expresses quantity and answer the questions how much, how far, to what extent, such as extremely, fully, quite, almost, very much, too, a lot, totally, absolutely, fairly, hardly, etc. So let's see apply of those adverb of degree or quantity. He is quite wrong. So it's you can ask me, sir, here I if you in the before adverb of manner you can quietly, but in the adverb of degree or quantity you can here use quite. There is some different here. Look, quietly, and that here is he's quite wrong. That's mean wrong indicates how he was wrong. That's mean he's fully correct. He's bad enough to kill you. That's mean here's how much he is bad enough to kill you. Here's indicates his error quantity. That's mean your situation also is indicates adverb of affirmation and negation. That means it indicates assertion and expression that owns a reaction to questions such as yes, no, yeah. So example, yes, I can. No, she is. She isn't. No, she isn't. She no, there she isn't. Etc. Etc. Those are indicates. Okay, let's see adverb of frequency, expresses the frequency of an action and answer the questions how often, such as never, ever, always, often, seldom, everywhere, sometimes, usually, normally, frequently, rarely, hardly, scarcely, once a week, etc. So let's say a play of adverb of affirmation and adverb of frequency. So he always helps the poor. He always helps the poor. So here in there modifies the verb helps always. When always frequency. That means it's continuous process sequence system. The barking dog seldom bites. That barking dog seldom bites. That's continuous process. That's my continuous process. Adverb of reason. There's no some reason. There's no any types of reason expresses the reason and make the conclusions as hence therefore thence and thence, etc. Example, he therefore resigned the job. He therefore resigned the job. Some of every word have a meaning, but you have to notice that which word in a passive speech modified, and then you can identify that was definitely adverb. So here resigned, that's a resigned his its life of leave any kinds of job, life, any kinds of place, etc. And here therefore it indicates the which that place he lives. Okay, so conjunction of adverbs. Conjunctive adverb. So conjunctive adverb is used to join two clauses together. Two clauses together. That means as also, finally, furthermore, consequently, hence, however, incidentally, indeed, instead, likewise, nevertheless, meanwhile, next, nonetheless, otherwise, then, still, thus, and therefore. So those are conjugative adverb, and then you can even some of them apply to the people are waited for an hour. Finally, the train comes to the station. The postman starts the market. Indeed, the gunman and the gunman has kept through the basement door. Okay, so I hope you can understand some of the parts of the adverbs, and I hope it will be very beneficial for you. Just you have to practice at your home, and you have to note this all kinds of adverbs and their word. You have to also know the meaning of these adverbs, and you have to practice and remind to your mind and apply in your daily life. I hope you will it will be very success in your academic or IELTS or etc job etc in your professional as a adverb. So thank you so much, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.